Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are finally here. And we will explain you today why you should buy these phone. The design. Pixel 8 is an evolution of the iconic Pixel design with more fluid contours and a smaller size that feels so natural to hold. Google is using a soft, silky matte glass finish to contrast with the high polish camera bar of Pixel 8 devices. Google has used a porcelain shade on Pixel 8 Pro is accented by a soft gold trim for luxurious ceramic look. Google is working towards a commitment of net zero emissions by 2030. Google uses that 100% recycled aluminum and repurposed materials to build their Google Pixel 8 devices. Google is working on plastic-free packaging and has reduced plastic usage. Google has partnered with iFixit to offer parts, tools, and repair guides directly to DIYers so that it's easier than ever to repair your own display, your battery, or your camera. One of the most important design elements on Pixel 8 design is the display. Google has introduced Super Actua display. It offers 2000 nits peak brightness and 60 to 120 Hz refresh rate. A 6.2-inch actually display on Pixel 8 is 42% brighter than on Pixel 7 and gives you ultra real-world clarity for your videos for your games. On the back of Pixel 8 Pro, Google has added a new temperature sensor. It will help you to check the temperature on a pan or to make sure that the milk in your baby's bottle is just the right temperature. The performance. The new Google Tensor G3 chipset is Google's latest mobile SoC, designed specifically to bring Google's AI breakthroughs directly to Pixel users and show the world what's possible. Compared to the first generation of Tensor on Pixel 6, the new Pixel 8 runs more than twice as many machine learning models on device. The camera. The Pixel 8 camera combines powerful AI and Tensor G3 with the fully upgraded ultra-wide and a new wide camera that's capable of producing 2x optical quality images with even better low-light performance. The video capabilities in Pixel 8 represent years of R&D across Tensor AI and software to reduce distracting sounds in your videos using Tensor G3 and advanced machine learning models, and is easy enough that anybody can do it. Pixel 8 Pro has the most powerful camera system ever in a phone. Every camera in Pixel 8 RO is upgraded. The triple rear Pro camera system gets a new main sensor with better low-light performance, a bigger ultra-wide lens with even better macro focus, and upgraded telephoto that can capture 56% more light and take photos with 10x optical quality. And we've added autofocus on the front-facing camera so you can take the best Pixel selfies ever. Google has also introduced new Pro controls on Pixel 8 Pro for photographers who want total creative control over the camera. You can adjust settings like ISO sensitivity, shutter speed, lens selection, and focus. You can also get high-resolution 50-megapixel images from across the zoom range in both JPEG and RAW. And when you open those RAW images in Adobe Lightroom, you'll see they retain Google's signature HDR plus adjustments. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get a notification for our video on Pixel 8 camera review. Also mention in the comments sections that which Pixel phone you are using.